Okay, I'll just show you how to work the massage seats in this 2015 Range Rover Vogue. So any screen here, if we go there, click the seats there, you see that's got the heated seat on. What I can do with seat zone, I can change from the backrest or heated backrest, the heated seat squab, or both of them, then the massage seats. Click massage seat on. There you go, that's working already, and honestly it's so good. Now if I click massage there, you've got intensity and you've also got program. If I click down like so, I can just adjust the intensity, but we want it on full. Click on program, that's showing all the backrests there. If I click on it again, it's showing that the massage is going down your spine, again going up. That's stopped the bottom half or the lumbar area of your back and is just on your shoulders, and that's the lumbar area. That's back to all the lot, and that's going right up my back. That again, that is an accessory I'd have in every car if it was possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.